Hello everyone, this is Daud Parvez. I am going to present the article How to Tackle Your Toughest Decision. The first half of this article is presented by my partner Muhammad Abbas, and rest I am going to discuss. So the third question of this article is the world as it is. The world as it is means that look the problem in a clear-eyed pragmatic way or objectively. Acknowledge that no environment is easy and predictable. Not well thought out plan will work out successfully. Sometimes sound plan fails and bad plan works, so we need to adjust ourselves according to the need. Leaders must be prepared to make painful choices. Leaders not always have unlimited freedom and resources, so they often make painful choices. According after considering consequences and duties, one must think of one must think about the practicalities of the possible solution and also think about which is most likely to work. Uh, Decision in gray areas also depends on how resilient and how flexible we are. So the fourth question is are we? Who are we? I am because we are. This how who are we talks about an individuals. Aristotle said man in nature is a social animal and like to live in a social groups. These living groups shaped our behavior and identities. Thinking about the decision in terms of values, norms and relations. Values, relation, norms affects our decisions. One must also consider the impact of one's decision on team, company, community and organizations. This question demands a subjective approach. At the end, who are we and what we are is our knowledge, learning, struggle, experience, self-assessment and honesty to ourselves. So the fifth question of this article is living with your decision. Living with your decision is related to the judgments. Good judgment relies on best possible analysis, value, ideals, experiences. The manager has to live with consequences of their decision, considering outcome, duties, practicalities, values of the condition, and after considering that, one must decide what matter most and what matter less. And consult it with mentor or experienced person whom you trust most and note his remark. And at the end, always try to get your gut and brain together while taking decisions and make responsibility wisely in gray area problems. So finally we have conclusion. A manager will be faced by a gray area problem, and if the problem is gray, the solution cannot be black or white. In solution like this, one has to find middle ground and always try to use systematically these questions holistically in approach. So there is a case study in this article about a manager, Becky Friedman. She had a team of 14 members. One of the member in her team is not fitting in her team. Then she decided to use all these questions that we have discussed in this article, and she giving him a extra time rather to expel him. And during that time he performed well in this way, and during this time he performed well and fit into the team and makes himself fit into the team. In this way, both Becky and that man tackle their gray area problem very effectively. So in gray area, the responsibility of manager is not to find solutions, rather to create one. Thank you.